Hey guys, now finally we have our third place winner, and let's hear it for Saya Explorers. Guys, congratulations!
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Guys, this team has been incredible. So I'll just tell you about the mix. I think there are two brothers we are seeing here. So this is something really, really rare and interesting that the two brothers are in the same team and racing with each other, which is good. So now we want to hear more internal stories that who was empowering the other brother, and then we'll get to that. So guys, first of all, congratulations.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Okay, you won the third place at the Namma Adventure Race 3.0, and please tell us your journey, because we have been seeing you at the course back and forth. You were doing so many things and you were always motivated and pumped up. So first let's begin from there. Tell us your overall journey. How was the course? and how
Where
was-
should we
ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ
start?
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಟೀಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇಬ್ರು ಫೋಟೋ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ.
Yeah, to be honest, yes, that was the dream, that we both wanted to participate in a same team. Usually what used to happen, he was in some other team, I was in some other team. Because of his medical condition and all, he couldn't race in a big team, Goa race.
Yes, yes. No.
So then I wanted to participate with him. So that gives me a
Big dream is over now. Yes, the first big dream. Okay.
Then the next big dream is to get first place.
You
Next
will
race.
get there. Yes, you will get there.
Yeah, yeah.
Because the way you guys were performing and everything, how you were doing your navigations
Yeah.
or between the transition, the switch, everything was so smooth because you guys knew what you're going to do.
Yeah.
Right?
Some basics we need.
Yeah. But see, if basics can get you third place, just imagine if they are pro. Okay.
Very soon.
Yes, yes, yes. So tell us, how was the course? How did you strategize the entire thing? Because you were the only third team, apart from the first and second, who made it to the ferry. So what was your strategy going around to make that last day ferry cut off? Yes.
So about this ferry part, we had a challenge between us. I asked the team, guys, this is a call. You want to carry the life jacket throughout the course, or you want to dump it as a transition packs and play smart? They were like, why to carry the burden? Let's be
Let's
relaxed.
risk it. And we risked it.
Then the challenge was not to finish the line. The challenge was to reach the ferry. That was the first finish line.
And
So-
we reached on last minute.
Yeah. And
Okay.
yes.
correct.
So Sai sir was
Actually,
there
last
and he was like, what the hell are you doing, guys? Because to be honest, he and I reached almost first. Then these two, because she got a cramp, so he had to be with her. And like we were like some 60 meters or something like away. And Sai sir was like, why did you leave your team and all? Because my thing was, it's okay if we get into all these loops and all. But he wanted to catch the ferry first.
ಸೊ ಐ
And
ಶುಡ್
then
ಟೆಲ್
make them
ದೆಮ್
wait for us.
So we had
And
to
we
break
knew
her.
they would stop. They're so generous in the ferry.
Because the last time we saw, they had stopped for 20 minutes
20
for
minutes
one person.
For
Okay.
one person.
So we thought that would be a chance where we can work on it. Because if without life jacket and we can't go into the coracle, traveling all the way 40 kilometers, that would be a risk and loss of energy and all. Because 200 kilometers doing first time. And above that, no, we don't know how to race in the night time.
Okay.
The only thing what happened, the best part is her idea, or I don't know, moonlight. That helped us a lot. Because the whole place was visible with our naked eyes. We didn't need the torch and all. So that helped us a lot yesterday night.
ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೈಲ್ಡ್ ಬಫೆಲೋ
Many visitors came to.
ಲೈಕ್ ವೈಲ್ಡ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್
We were racing, we did not have all the lights. I mean, we were like trusting the moonlight and just going. It was like an empty road. And there was standing
Oh
that
my God.
Volvo.
It
Just
was
beside,
like
just
a
beside.
rock.
We thought that's a rock.
Yeah, it was like a statue. It's like staring at
And
us.
it's complete greenery, just one rock. It was like, how can a rock be here? And slowly it turned its face.
And then the Dursa, Rohit was like whispering something. I'm like, why are you whispering? And Rohit was like, shh, shh. And then I was see like, shh.
And yeah, while coming from the launch ferry, the Adgodu junction, like snakes. Yes.
So many
Yes.
dead.
Yeah.
People should be careful.
Yeah. Can't help it. In the night, everybody is not following the moonlight or don't have a torches like adventure racers, right? Yeah. So that's interesting that every person, every team has their own story and they come their own experiences. But tell me what went down last night, because you were not at TA3.
Yeah,
You were
yeah.
also not at TA4.
No.
So where did you guys find that gap to race?
So yeah, the credit goes to her, because what happens is, after the hiking of that 4-kilometer hiking, we asked. I mean, everything happens with the discussion. There's no captain here. There's no navigator. we work as a team. Like, I don't know, you do. You don't know, I'll do. Simple. I asked them, guys, what do you want to do? I asked her first because she is important for us right now. So I asked her, what do you want to do? I'll try my best. I told her the distance, I told her how the elevations would be because this terrain was too crazy. And the most psychological thing is the moment you see up, like, oh my god, cycling uphill, too damn crazy. And without food, we had to cycle the whole night because we couldn't have proper meal. Whatever we had is chickies, some chocolates, whatever it
But
is.
I see you are cooking at TF4.
Yeah, that was the plan. We reached TF4 at night.
They only had the proper
Yes,
meal. Okay.
we planned according to that.
Okay.
And things goes ups and down.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
we slept in bus stop.
You just slept in bus stop.
The bus stop
Guys,
was not
the
a
new
planned
sleeping
bus stop.
arena. Please sleep at the bus stop.
And it was not even
Not
a
a
bus stop.
planned bus stop, that like a box coffin type.
So
And we went backside
It was
of
full
that.
dusty.
We saw a broomstick. We cleaned the whole area. There was the spider webs and all. We cleaned the whole area. We were there. We had 3 columns: Pawan, Prajwal, Laranya, Rohit.
And there also something happened.
Oh,
Night,
guys.
what has happened? This thing, the same issue. Water
Yeah.
now is flowing. No? So it has got open, and I was like keeping my hydration bag underneath
As a
my
pillow.
leg. As a pillow, yeah. I was using it as a pillow. The whole water has come to my body. The whole night.
And he has slept
He's shivering.
night 5 o'clock. I mean early morning 3 to 4:30. That was the only sleep we had.
Okay.
So 1.5 hour sleep for 200
seeing
kilometers.
Rohit, that like he's like shivering like. Oh.
I've
That
never
was my
seen.
first time shivering in my almost, people have never seen me shivering.
And 5 o'clock, they were like, let's move. That's when we started for the TF4.
Yeah.
So,
But exactly how much hours of sleep did you guys have?
1.5 hour.
1.5 hours.
Yeah.
Ah.
That
Not
was
1.5
also because of
hours.
me.
Okay.
They were like,
We,
"Let's just
we were
go."
not ready to sleep.
I'm like, Anna.
What I wanted was to just go.
Okay.
Until your body gives up.
Okay.
At
The
one
other
point,
reason
she
was
wanted.
like, we are like few people in the group. Like, if we are sleeping, we want to sleep the whole night.
Ah, yeah.
1-2 hours, and later in
That makes
sleeping
us
mode,
more weird.
we want to sleep more. So
And
we
literally
decided
that
not to sleep.
tower thing.
CP level.
I, I'm navigating half sleep. I'm
Like we're going.
sleeping
Actually,
and I'm
my brother
navigating.
was like he's falling in a pit and all. Like,
He's walking like a drunk person.
I couldn't
One
control
more thing
myself.
happened. Prajwal showing tower. See the tower. He's like, you are hallucinating.
I was like,
This is interesting. They're seeing the tower, but the thing that is they're hallucinating.
We could see it with all the lights turned off. But then when you put the torch to it, it's just vanishing. It's like disappearing.
yeah. When the light is
the
off,
fog.
with the moonlight, we can see some shadow thing. When you on the torch, there's nothing.
Like we had a high focused light, but then oh my god.
Interesting.
He made me doubt my, sight. I'm like, can I see? Can I see? Are you sure?
Because I'm already sleepy and whatever I see, I don't believe it right now. All I wanted to do is a rest, proper rest. And the most tempting part was the volunteers. They were sleeping there. That was too tempting for us to sleep.
T3, yeah. That's the only time my volunteers found some time to
Oh my
rest.
god.
Yeah.
That's interesting. But then, how was that hike section, the last hike? How did you guys push it? Because remember that you were ahead of the team, we were behind you. But then, when they came off, you guys were together at TA,
Yeah.
right? And then you pushed it. So what happened during that hike section?
Uh,
How was that hike?
So we didn't know what place we were there. We just thought, okay, some team have went, some team are still pending. Let's just go with one pace because we knew 7 kilometers up and down, again cycle. We had to save some energy. Just with the rush going and coming back, then the next part would be a miserable thing. So we thought, let's go with one pace. No running, no jogging. Because some can run, some can jog. But at last, the injuries, whatever, we didn't want it to happen. So what we thought, we'll just go with one pace. Until then, we didn't meet anybody. It was like a complete barren thing. Then all of a sudden, Team Sherchef came. I was like, okay, that's the first team what I remember.
Yeah.
Then like, okay, then what are we now? Then came a hope like, okay, we still are on track. Then we started marching a bit faster.
Yeah.
We just followed some
Yeah.
rhythm and we started marching.
Yeah.
Then almost we reached, then the next team,
Team.
they
behind
started. But yeah, they were too fast. We didn't want to challenge them because
Yes, yes.
we knew our balance.
Yes, yes.
So what I thought is
Yes.
finishing the race is important, no matter what. Then I asked them, "Are you guys okay to run?" They were like, "Okay to run, but I don't know what would be the next leg." So I was like, "Okay, let's not force yourself. Relax."
That's nice. That's a good decision because teams always comes first because you don't have that only that leg.
Ah,
You
yeah.
have the whole course.
That's true. That's true.
Finishing together always
Because
the matters.
I knew, I never did 200. But I felt that last two legs, that 20 kilometers cycling plus 14 kilometers cycling, was like a sprint race for me. That's what happened recently,
Yes,
right now.
Yes.
We were like neck to neck, like, okay. And right behind us was Dr. Kavya's team.
Oh,
Lost
great.
and found.
Interesting.
Yeah, they're on the way.
When we
On
are
the way.
getting down, trekking down,
No, when we almost ended looking down.
So I didn't want them to be near to us.
Yeah.
I wanted my timing to be better than.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
I told them, guys, this is the time.
Yeah.
Then
Interesting.
Madam got a shin cramp or something. I mean, that's a old one.
Yeah.
So what we thought, let's not slow down the pace. Tie the rope and tow that up and down. Oh, he was like crazy.
That's interesting. It's
So
really,
we
really
missed
nice.
one part, open water swimming.
You missed one?
Part, like open water swimming.
Pat.
Part.
Part. Okay.
Open water swimming.
Please tell.
It was just,
The first day one.
Yeah.
Yeah, the first leg.
Yeah.
I,
My
like,
fear
that-
is
that's-
water. Not heights, nothing.
Forgot
Water.
Okay.
What I did, I slept on my back. I closed my eyes and just looking at the sky. Prajwal sir and
She's
Rohit sir
just
pushing
enjoying
me,
the
pushing me.
scenery.
What scenery? Sky scenery.
Ah,
If I look at water, I just panic. I'm like,
She didn't even paddle for a single second.
yeah, she did.
but I learned swimming.
Interesting. See, we didn't
But it
tell
not
that.
help.
Adventure races, you get improvise, you adapt to the situations, you learn so many things. So that's it's so interesting, guys.
last I did that.
One more.
Oh my god,
CP4.
that was crazy.
CP4 was just crazy.
The March
CP4.
trail.
Yeah, CP4 the first.
ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ.
ಹೌದು
Correct.
the ಭೀಮನ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಅದು ಹೆಜ್ಜೆನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ
ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿ.
ನಾನು ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಅದು.
Okay, now CP4, what happened? We were done with CP3. So
and we
started-
knew CP4 is just behind that temple's premises somewhere. I asked these guys, there is a road that connects there. There's one more place where goes just behind the temple from the farm. They were like, road will be easy. Why to take this? Okay, we went to the road. Then we climbed the hill. The funny part is, the hill is divided, separate almost. So we had to hike two mountains.
Okay.
So the one which we are, and the other one which we have to go down and get up again.
And we almost found CP5 before CP4.
Yes. And we were literally confused. We can see the bands, that symbols. We were like, should we go left or right? My thing is, guys, if the bands are going towards there, that's a 5, obviously. 4 should be this side. And somebody said, this guy is like, no, illa ana, alle irod 4 ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. I was like, I know how the rule works. First 4, then 5.
Yes.
Then I was like, it's okay, let's take a risk, we'll go the other way. And luckily I'm seeing Manipal team, they're running from that side. Guys, 1 second, what did you do? They were like, hey, we are searching for the CP, where is it? You finished 5, no? Like, no, we are still finding 4. Like, how did you come from this side? Like, yeah, it happens.
One more thing. There, the truck part. We did trucking there too.
Yeah.
The trekking
I would say that trek was a little more challenging than today's long trek.
Yes.
Interesting.
We were walking in the place where wild animals walk.
This guy
And there's
told
this
it's a
much space
trial.
left. But like going
He
one more
told it's a trial, but
It's a
we
trial.
could see
I'm seeing the animals poop over there. Animals follow the same track. Usually. So I'm saying him, bro, this is animals track. So I started climbing tree.
Yeah, he climbed the tree and he saw that plain
empty
field.
land, yeah.
Empty place.
And we started
so
following that
we
track.
Like, see in map, there is an empty place. So there are no trees over there. We'll go up and go that side. Let's see what happens. We have no other choice. We thought all have gone. Like the rest teams have
All
gone.
that instinct, the survival instinct
Yeah,
at that point, huh?
At that point we thought we are the last team.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And when we came to that CP4, like
CP5, we saw the list. I'm like, third? Oh my god.
then we
Are you
started
sure?
like, come on guys, let's do again.
It's nice, guys.
So I think
Yeah.
we got that hope like 4 to 5 times between the race.
Yeah.
4 to 5 times.
Yeah.
And actually, yes, one more thing. After this basket activity, hope you remember
Yes,
how the
yes,
teams went.
Yes.
And
yes.
we took the way where CP8 was
Yes,
there.
yes.
And we went all the way and we
Yes,
joined.
yes,
So
yes.
which was off the
Yeah.
this thing trail. The only reason I wanted to catch the ferry.
Yes.
I thought going this way might reduce the traffic, all this human pollution, whatever the traffic, whatever it is. Then we went there. That was a bad decision because it was way more intense. The elevation, I didn't see the elevation. So then I understood it's better to follow the simple route rather than improvising all this.
After that, he did not even took the shortcuts. Direct route.
It's wonderful, guys. Yeah, I think I'm damn sure they have a lot and lot of stories to share, which will continue over tomorrow.
Yeah,
and
we
after.
have the
Because
recordings
all
also.
yes, because all the teams would like to hear your stories. But thank you so much for sharing your experience and congratulations once again.
Thank you so
right,
much.
that you guys have been proving that this sport is like
Trying
how
our best.
amazing it is. Yes, you have to just try your best,
Yeah, yeah.
right, and improvise and adapt. That broom thing, cleaning the bus stop, and the spider and all. My God.
No,
I think adventure
that
Races
1
can do
hour sleep should
everything.
be at least quality sleep, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. But one last question I would ask before we wind up, like two brothers, will you race again in the same team?
Obviously, that's why the team is made for.
Interesting, guys. So, guys, this is our third position team, Team Saya Explorers, that amazing team who has been doing wonders. So, congratulations, guys, once
Thank you.
again.
Thank you so
and
much,
we'd
ma'am.
love to hear more things because
Sure.
we have a lot of things coming up. There are a lot of teams coming and a lot of stories coming from the amazing all the other teams who are still at the back. We are expecting our all the remaining teams to finish during the night so they all can sleep well because they haven't slept.
That's true, that's
they haven't
true.
slept. So we'll wait for them. So thank you so much and stay tuned.